It's a great honor and a pleasure to be here on this very important day for us all. In the beautiful waterfront city of Windsor, where we will build our first joint venture battery plant with Stellantis. Together with Stellantis and the Canadian government, we aim to collaborate and champion the country's very own battery ecosystem.
This project is a perfect example of how Invest in Canada seeks out the most committed and best qualified sources of foreign direct investment to invest here at home.
Invest in Canada helped identify and attract this global investor and worked collaboratively with our federal partners and all levels of government from the outset to secure this major investment in the future of Canada's automobile industry.
LGES was very interested to learn more about Canada, and our team explained to LGES the benefit of choosing Canada, and we connected them with our colleagues at all levels of government, supporting the company at every step to help make the investment possible.
And this helps build a prosperous, sustainable economy for our communities and our country. We're bringing innovation, knowledge that will not only shape the future of transportation for decades, but also contribute to reducing carbon emissions in Canada. With many organizations working to attract foreign direct investments to Canada, Invest in Canada brings a national perspective and finds the best to invest.